1, 0.
Greetings, this is Gary with Let It Be RV. I want to tell you I am extremely excited today because I really want to show the nomads how I'm going to basically set up a cooking fire. Cooking fire meaning that for the community, we're going to let the community know that we're going to have a rack, okay, to be able to put food on. The community can bring what they want to cook, and we'll let's go over here. About 2 weeks ago, I cooked over this fire chicken, a bunch of chicken, and it was really, really good. It came out really good. I just purchased this cast iron pot for cooking kind of like cowboy beans and cornbread and that kind of stuff. So using the cast iron, then we're going to go over here.
Who's this gentleman?
This is Curtis. I'm sorry. Say hi, Curtis.
Hi, Curtis.
Curtis put on our hamburger meat for us,
There
and
you go.
he and I are flipping them in a minute, I think. They're getting pretty warm here.
Let's come over here. What I did is I bought a rack at Walmart, but then I had the legs extended because I thought it was too close to the fire. You can see kind of right here where I welded on these extra legs right here to it. So I put it up 14 inches. And you can see what we're doing. I also bought this cast iron griddle to be able to cook things like pancakes. And you can see what we're doing today is hamburgers. And it's really cooking fast, and it really cooks good. And so this is just kind of a practical way, I think, of utilizing the energy that when we're set around the fire and we visit with our friends, we can also be cooking at the same time. And also having a community cooking fire, we can encourage the community to come over with their brats, their hot dogs, and whatever, and put it on the fire and sit around and visit. So again, this is Gary with Let It Be RV. Please subscribe to my site and be sure to click the little bell and be safe. Thank you.